Nailing an interview isn't just about having the right qualifications. It's about how you show up as a person and communicate in the moment. It's hard enough to land an interview, so you don't want to waste the opportunity. Let's explore some ways to practice for interviews so you can feel confident, prepared, and ready to shine. Practicing with a friend or family member offers valuable human connection and diverse perspectives. In addition to that, there's another helpful way to prepare, one that provides flexibility to practice anytime, offers expert-style feedback on your responses, and doesn't require coordinating schedules. That's using an AI assistant like Gemini. Gemini Live lets you have natural conversations in real time, making it an excellent resource for practicing interviews. To practice with Gemini Live, you'll need to have the Gemini app on your phone. I'll open the app now. Tap the live icon and jump right into describing the interview practice I want. Let's start by giving Gemini Live some important details about our upcoming interview. I'm applying for an entry-level customer service job with a financial services provider. This will be my first interview with the company. Can you ask me some interview questions and give me feedback on my responses? I'm going to try to answer using the STAR method.
All right, let's get started. Here's your first question. Tell me about a time you had to deal with a difficult customer.
Sure. Once when I was working the customer service telephone line, a customer called and was upset because the order was late. I looked up this order and discovered that the order had actually been delivered 2 days before, and our email system had failed to notify them. So I told the customer this, and they found the package, and they were very pleased.
That's a good start, but remember the STAR method. Can you tell me more about the situation? For example, what was the specific reason for the delay, and what steps did you take to resolve the issue?
Oh yeah, that's right. Situation, task, action, result. STAR. Because I asked it to, Gemini Live is using the STAR method to give me feedback on my interview answer and guide me toward a better response. Remember to try to provide as much information about the job you're interviewing for as possible. This way, Gemini Live can ask you relevant questions you might actually be asked by the interviewer in real life. The more information you provide, the more helpful your dialogue will be. Practicing your answers aloud will help you get comfortable in real interview situations. So ask your neighbor, call your mentor, and of course, use Gemini Live. Go ahead and give it a try. You can take as much time as you need to get confident in answering interview questions and practice with Gemini anytime you need to.